Hi everyone, I'm Emma. Today, I want to share my upcoming holiday plans with you. It's something I've been excited about for a long time, and I thought it would be fun to take you through all the details. Maybe you'll get some ideas for your next trip too. So, I'll be traveling to Italy next month. I've always dreamed of visiting Italy because it has so much to offer. Beautiful landscapes, incredible food, and a fascinating history. I'll be spending about 2 weeks there, which I think is enough time to see some of the best parts of the country. Let me walk you through my plan. First, I'll fly into Rome, the capital of Italy. Rome is full of ancient history, and my first stop will be the Colosseum. I've seen so many pictures of it, and I can't wait to stand there in person. I also plan to visit the Roman Forum, and of course the Vatican. Did you know the Vatican is the smallest country in the world? It's home to St. Peter's Basilica and the famous Sistine Chapel with Michelangelo's incredible ceiling. After a few days in Rome, I'll take a train to Florence. Florence is famous for its art and architecture. The Duomo, which is the big cathedral in the city, is supposed to be amazing. I'm also hoping to see some of the famous works of art by Michelangelo and Leonardo da Vinci at the Uffizi Gallery. And let's not forget the food. I've heard that Florence has some of the best pasta and gelato in Italy. Next, I'll head to Venice. I think Venice is one of the most unique cities in the world because it's built on water. There are no cars, and people travel by boats instead. I'm especially excited to ride a gondola along the canals. I've seen videos of Venice, and it just looks magical. I'll also visit St. Mark's Basilica and take a walk around St. Mark's Square. And of course, I'll try some Venetian seafood dishes. Finally, I'll spend the last part of my trip on the Amalfi Coast. This is a beautiful coastal area in southern Italy. The towns are on cliffs overlooking the sea, and the views are just stunning. I'll be staying in a small town called Positano, where the houses are painted in bright colors and the beaches look incredible. I plan to spend a few days relaxing, swimming, and enjoying the sunshine. I think it'll be the perfect way to end my trip. I'll be doing a mix of sightseeing and relaxation throughout the trip. I wanted to make sure I have enough time to enjoy each place without rushing too much. Traveling can be tiring, so I've also scheduled some rest days, especially on the Amalfi Coast. As for packing, I'm trying to keep it light since I'll be moving from place to place. I'll need some comfortable shoes for walking, especially in Rome and Florence, where I'll be doing a lot of sightseeing. I'll also bring a few summer clothes, as Italy can get quite warm in the summer, especially along the coast. And of course, I'll need my camera to capture all the beautiful places I'm going to see. Another thing I'm looking forward to is the Italian food. I love pizza and pasta, but I'm also excited to try some local specialties in each region. In Rome, there's a pasta dish called cacio e pepe, which is pasta with cheese and pepper. It sounds simple, but everyone says it's delicious. In Florence, I'll try bistecca alla fiorentina, which is a large grilled steak. And in Venice, I'll have to try the seafood because they're so close to the sea. Finally, on the Amalfi Coast, I'll taste the fresh lemons. The region is famous for its lemons, and they use them in everything from pasta to desserts. I'll also be trying to learn a few Italian phrases. I think it's nice to be able to say a few words in the local language, even if it's just simple things like hello and thank you. Italians are very friendly, and I think they'll appreciate the effort. So, that's my plan for my trip to Italy. I'm really looking forward to it, and I'll make sure to take lots of photos and videos so I can remember every moment. I hope this gave you some ideas if you're planning a holiday. Thanks for listening, and I'll see you in the next video.